Imagine building a successful blog, only to have it crumble overnight. Thousands of bloggers are unknowingly sitting on a digital time bomb. The culprit: expired domains. But the real danger lurks beneath the surface, and it's far worse than you might think. Let's rewind to the early days of the internet. Domain flipping was the Wild West of online real estate. Savvy entrepreneurs snatched up valuable domains, waiting for the right moment to cash in. But not all domains struck gold. Some were abandoned, left to expire, and eventually recycled back into the market. Fast forward to today. You're starting a blog, and you stumble upon a perfect domain name. It's short, catchy, and relevant to your niche. Best of all, it's available. You buy it without hesitation, feeling like you've won the digital lottery. But here's where things get dangerous. That seemingly perfect domain, it has a history. A dark, hidden past that could come back to haunt you. You see, expired domains aren't blank slates. They carry the weight of their previous lives, and that baggage can be toxic. First danger: SEO nightmares. Your new domain might have been penalized by Google in its past life. Maybe it was a link farm, a spam site, or worse. Now, your innocent blog inherits this dubious reputation. Your content, no matter how valuable, struggles to rank. You're fighting an uphill battle against algorithms that remember. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Second danger: ghost traffic. Your analytics show a surge in visitors, but engagement is non-existent. Why? Because these aren't real visitors. They're remnants of the domain's past, automated bots still crawling long dead links. This phantom traffic skews your data, leading to misguided decisions. Third, and most alarming: security breaches. Remember those old email accounts associated with the domain? They're like ticking time bombs. Hackers can exploit these forgotten backdoors, potentially accessing sensitive information or using your domain for phishing attacks. But wait, it gets worse. Fourth danger: legal landmines. What if the previous owner used the domain for copyright infringement or conducted illegal activities? You could be inheriting legal liabilities you never signed up for. The final, often overlooked danger: brand confusion. Your shiny new blog might share a name with a defunct business. Confused customers reach out, expecting services you don't offer. Your brand identity becomes muddled, trust erodes, and growth stagnates. So what's the solution? Is using expired domains for blogs always a recipe for disaster? Not necessarily. While the risks are real and significant, they're not insurmountable. The key is due diligence. Before purchasing an expired domain, conduct thorough research. Check its history using tools like archive.org and Ahrefs. Look for any red flags in the domain's backlink profile or previous content. If you decide to proceed, be prepared for extra work. Submit a reconsideration request to Google if needed. Clean up old backlinks, build fresh, healthier backlinks, and monitor for unusual traffic patterns. Most importantly, be transparent with your audience about your domain's history. Remember, a great blog is built on trust and valuable content. While an expired domain might seem like a shortcut, it often leads to a longer, more treacherous path. Sometimes, starting fresh with a new domain is the safest bet for long-term success. The choice is yours. But now, armed with this knowledge, you can make an informed decision. Don't let your blog become another casualty of the expired domain time bomb.